Ever wished you could expand your Android app library beyond what the Google Play Store offers? Today, we're unlocking that potential by showing you how to install apps from sources outside the Play Store, giving you access to a world of new possibilities and putting you in the driver's seat of your device. First things first, we need to dive into your device's settings. Locate the gear icon and tap on it to open the main settings menu. Once you're in settings, you'll need to find the security or privacy section. The exact wording might vary slightly depending on your Android version and phone manufacturer, but generally, it's somewhere in this area. Scroll down until you see it. Tap on security or privacy to access the security-related settings for your device. Now, you're looking for an option called Unknown Sources or possibly Install Unknown Apps. This is our key to unlocking those external app installations. Go ahead and tap on Unknown Sources to bring up the toggle switch or checkbox. You'll likely see a warning message pop up, explaining that enabling this feature can pose security risks. It's important to understand this. Only download apps from sources you trust. Once you've read and acknowledged the warning, tap OK or the equivalent to confirm. Now that you've enabled Unknown Sources, you can go ahead and download an app from a website or a trusted source. Once the download is complete, you'll usually see a notification allowing you to open the installation file. Tap on the downloaded file, which typically ends with the APK extension, to begin the installation process. You'll see the app's permissions and an install button. Review the permissions and, if you're comfortable, tap install. And there you have it, your app will now install, and you can find it in your app drawer, ready to use. Remember to be cautious and only install apps from reputable sources.